We are back with what I think might be the coolest video we've ever done. What is more American than guns and airplanes? So in today's episode, we're gonna shoot this RC airplane down. This thing has made it through everything, so many night flights, so many crashes, and today we're gonna plan to retire it. Who knows, it may fly again. So let's get into the video and have some fun. All right, get it low. All right, here we go.
You gotta get it out there though.
We got the Glock 19. Get it on the pass. I'm not gonna hit it, dude. Come for a straight pass right here. Ready? This is awesome.
Get it out there.
Dude, that's far.
So what?
Gotta have it in frame.
Oh, that hurt my ear.
All right, guys, this is why you watch. This is the collab of Vital Arms and Valley Flyers.
Ready?
All right, we got 2 rounds left, and then we're gonna switch to the AR. Ah, you sucker. All right, we're empty. Gonna switch to the AR. All right, get that thing right in front of us. I wanna make sure it's on camera. Oh! 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 All right, take 2.
You didn't even hit it once.
Didn't hit it?
Nah. We got 2 minutes.
All right, guys, flight number 2. We're gonna see if we can get it down. Get it nice and low for me.
Oh.
Shit.
Oh.
Shit. That's what hit Hector in the face, and me as well.
Whew. That got me in my face.
All right, we're gonna switch. Should I switch to the shotgun?
Yeah?
All right, switching to the shotgun. All right, you ready for your plane to die?
Yeah.
It's gonna be over. Damn. All right, guys, the plane is done. All right, so let's check out the damage. What happened here? The lights are still on.
It works.
Lost the tail. I wonder if the prop broke on the crash or. Let's see that fuse. Oh.
That's. It'll still work, dude.
Hey, throw a battery in it. See if it works. No way. Throttle?
Elevator's out. That's what I lost.
No way. She survived. Yeah, you guys are going to see this one on. We're going to fly it tonight.